Hey, if you're looking for something to hold your video game controller, you definitely want to check out the Cable Guys Master Chief controller holder. This is, of course, from Halo. If you're a Halo fan, you'll recognize who this character is right away. It's Master Chief, the main character of the game. It's pretty cool. He has his hands here like this. So I'll demonstrate holding a controller. This is my PS5 controller. So that's what it would look like if it's holding it. It's pretty sturdy. As you can see, that what I really like, and it's really like, is the detail, and it's actually pretty heavy. It looks a little light, but it's actually pretty heavy. Not like super heavy, but heavy enough to, that it's it's pretty sturdy, I mean. So I really like it. The detail looks, let me get a little closer so you can see. Detail looks really, really nice. Again, it's by Cable Guys, that's the company on the bottom. And then, yeah, those are the hands, the gloves, the helmet. So it looks like on the top. So it looks really, really nice. I love it. So it's just nice, instead of just having your controller on a table or somewhere, you can just have it, nice and sturdy there, and hope this review is helpful.